Don't you notice how hard I'm trying when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. I keep sneaking little looks your way.
Is it good?
It is.
Go. Just see if there's a lot. Come on, Mona. You love your horror.
I don't like horror in real life, but I like watching it.
We've been waiting for the lift for like 15 minutes. I'm not even kidding. It just keeps missing a whole level. Okay, okay. Come on. Looks too cute. We decided to make nacho.
Come here, darling.
How about nacho pajamas? Don't say that. But like I Post lift crisis mochi. I'm looking scared. What? It smells good though. They're Madeline.
Yum. Ingo ran out. It's very vibrant. I like that.
Is it good?
Fire song.
Says you. Where's all the photos of me?
No. We were talking about that. Shut up, boy.
I got extra big matcha.
There's a bagel.
I want to hash the bagel. Mona's like putting it back into it. I kind of want to get one. That's what I'm gonna say. That's so cute.
Guys, I'm so excited to actually put my normal phone case back on.
Oh.
Wow.
Is it good?
Oh.
Okay, our turn.
Actually.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, mine.
You can like make music on its own. Oh my god, it's going to St. Kilda Beach. We went there. Capture. We got our tokens and now we're just deciding what we want. There's so many food options there. Look at this one. It's like sashimi sitting on a bench. I low-key want this one. They're just sitting on the bench. It's just so cute. Hayden's gonna get the fat, sleepy cat.
Look, there's one with its butt up.
I hope you get a good one. I mean, none of them are bad choices.
They're all cute.
Yay! Oh, wait.
More
Why
tape.
is this like impossible to open? 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, I just got the regular sushi. Oh my god, wait, this is so cute. It has little legs and stuff, so it's just sitting down.
Mine's a fat cat.
Wait, is it? Oh, it's hard.
Mine's a fat cat. Look at his toes.
Look, it's like sitting on a bench next to, I don't know what this is, before it gets eaten. That's as focused as I can get. Mona, what'd you get?
I don't know who this man is.
Is it cute though?
I'll put it on something. The Inari.
That's so cute.
I got an Inari.
Oh my god, wait, the raincoat is so cute. Oh, chunky.
On the bananas, mom. Whoa. So pretty.
Are you sure we're going to the right place, Ash?
Oh, it's closed.
Oh. Right.
Sorry.
Cokes. Whoa. Oh, yum.
I believe in you, queen.
Yeah, I think it worked. Yes.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리